Hey everyone, let's talk about PixVerse and what it's actually like to use this AI video generator. Because a lot of people are curious whether it's just hype or something you can genuinely work with. PixVerse is designed to turn text prompts into short AI-generated videos. And right away, the main appeal is how simple the whole process feels. You don't need editing skills, timelines, or complicated settings. You describe what you want, choose a style, and let the AI handle the rest. What really stands out with PixVerse is the visual quality for short clips. The motion is usually smooth, the scenes feel dynamic, and it does a solid job creating cinematic-looking shots, especially for things like animations, fantasy scenes, product-style visuals, or social media content. It's clearly built with short-form platforms in mind. So if you're making content for TikTok, Reels, or Shorts, it fits that workflow pretty well. The prompt system is fairly forgiving, which is great if you're not an expert at writing detailed prompts. Even with simple descriptions, PixVerse can generate something visually interesting. That said, the more specific you are, the better the results. When you start adding details about lighting, camera movement, mood, or style, the output improves noticeably. It's one of those tools where experimenting with prompts actually pays off. On the limitations side, PixVerse is not meant for long videos or complex storytelling. You're working with short clips, and consistency between characters or scenes can be hit or miss. Sometimes the AI interpretation doesn't match exactly what you imagined, so you may need multiple generations to get the results you want. That's normal for AI video tools right now, but it's still something to keep in mind. Another thing worth mentioning is that PixVerse feels more creative than practical. It's amazing for visuals, inspiration, and eye-catching clips. But it's not a replacement for full video editing software. Think of it as a visual idea generator rather than a complete production studio. Overall, PixVerse is a fun and powerful tool if your goal is to create short, visually impressive AI videos without technical effort. It's especially useful for creators, marketers, and anyone experimenting with AI visuals. If you understand its limits and use it for what it's best at, it can be a really valuable addition to your content toolbox. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel for more honest AI tool breakdowns, and drop a comment telling me which platform you want me to review next.